possible to dramatically improve your English, your grammar, your vocabulary, your syntax, your pronunciation, everything in just a couple of hours? Well, I think it is. And it doesn't happen by sitting there reading a grammar book or reading dictionaries or studying hard. Okay, it happens by actually speaking the correct English the first time. Okay, and it doesn't take long. So let's watch today as Fernando is able to improve his English literally overnight by doing the exercises coming up. I asked Fernando to tell me about a special holiday that he'd had. He had 1 minute to prepare and he had to speak for 2 minutes on that holiday. Well, of course, his first presentation was full of awkward syntax, the wrong word, the wrong grammar, the wrong pronunciation. Okay, so what I did was I took what he'd written and I rewrote it with a nice opening, a nice closing sentence, and the correct, some better vocabulary, some better grammar, and so on. And then I fed it back to Fernando bit by bit until he was able to pronounce and he was able to say the whole thing. So let's watch that. Okay, so I'm going to say a little bit and you just repeat after me.
Okay.
Today I'm going to talk about.
Today I'm going to talk about.
I'm going to talk about.
I'm going to talk about
The best holiday I've ever had.
the best holiday I had.
I've ever had.
I have had.
I've ever had.
I had. I have had.
Good. Now let's say that sentence again. Today I'm going to talk about.
Today I am going to talk about
The best holiday I've ever had.
the best holiday I've ever had.
I remember the holiday
I remember the holiday.
was with my family.
We
Was with my family.
was my family.
Was with my family.
We was my family.
Was with my family.
Was with my family.
During the trip,
During the trip,
my father gave me a gift.
my father gave
My father gave me a gift.
my father gave me a gift.
A pair of sunglasses.
My parents sunglasses.
A pair of sunglasses.
I paired
A pair of
a pair of sunglasses.
sunglasses. Although it was about.
Those
Although it was about.
those
Although it was about.
those I talk about.
Although it was about.
Oh my god.
Notice how Fernando struggles with phrases like I've ever had and which is the most and although it is about. Okay, these seem simple to us because we use them all the time. But if you're an English learner and you've never used them before, they might seem strange and you have to hear them again and again. Until you actually say that expression, then you won't even notice that other people are saying it all around you when you're listening to English. So before the next day, Fernando's homework was to go home after we did that exercise and practice that night and come back in the next day and see how much he had improved. Listen to his next effort of giving that speech and notice all the improvements I've ever had, I'm going to, okay, all these things that he was struggling with in the beginning, now he's got it right. And look at the big smile he has at the end when he achieves his goal. So here we are again, and Fernando now is going to talk about, he's going to redo the IELTS topic about his holiday. So go ahead, Fernando.
All right. Today I am going to talk about my best holiday I've ever had. I was with my family, including my brother and sister. We went together to the famous beach in Brazil, the name is Copacabana Beach. We spent memorable moments together. I'd like to do again the trip with my family. I remember this trip, my father gave me a gift. He gave me a beautiful sunglasses for I use in the beach. Sometimes when I use this sunglasses here in Australia, I remember this holiday. I remember this holiday, my older sister loved to dance. We went to the big festival in Brazil, the Samba Festival. She loved this event. I'd like to do again the trip, but now I will include my daughter, because in the last trip she wasn't there.
I think Fernando's made a great improvement today, and I think if he keeps this up, he's going to see amazing improvement in a short amount of time in all of his English. Okay, so next time he goes to have a chat to somebody and they say, I've ever had, he's going to recognize it. So if you'd like to watch and see more student improvement, more methods, more ways that you can improve also, including a fluency technique that I'm going to teach you in the next episode, please like and subscribe in the buttons below and make sure that you don't miss any of our episodes. See you next time.